Finally checked in at the Aim House Hotel. So I'm finally checked in. It's 2 something p.m. right now in the afternoon. It's so hot in Bangkok, but yeah, first room tour. So a little about this room. I have the most standard room, the cheapest one. I have the twin bedroom. So let's make a quick room tour. And the entrance, you will have to put your key in as usual. And this is the light for the main entrance. So here we go. On your left, the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. And here we are, the usual shots. We have some towels right there, a beautiful toilet where you can do your business after eating all the things. Note that there isn't any toothbrushes or toothpaste, so you have to bring that with you as well. On the right, we have the shower. So we have a little curtain right here. You open it up. I'm trying not to break things because you have to pay. The shower. So when you step inside, you have the shower gel and the shampoo. So those are provided. After you get out of the bathroom, on the right of the room, we have a beautiful closet. That stinks a little bit, but we have a safe and some slippers. You cannot take those with you, by the way. Those are not disposable. And then next to the closet, we have a huge mirror where you can see how ugly you are, and a little desk where I will try to work but probably will not get any work done. And ta-da! The room itself. We have a beautiful painting, and underneath that we have the fridge, a kettle, and some, I hope, complimentary water. So this is the place we're staying at. We have some IKEA cups, some complimentary tea and coffee, and the fridge. I will have to put the water in the fridge later today. I have the twin bedroom, so I have 2 beds for no reason actually, but they're actually quite spacious. And a big TV, which I won't be using probably. And yeah, the remote control and stuff. So they do have a little list for things. If you break the things, you will have to pay. And it's non-smoking, which is good. And then at the window area, we have a little seating area where I will probably put my luggage. Let's see the view. Yep. This is the view, guys. Beautiful. Not really sure what I'm going to do with this, but not going to do anything with this. But the most important thing in this room is the air conditioning. And there you have it. That was the quick room tour of the day. Oh my god, I'm getting so sweaty. I will try to make a room tour of my parents' room later. My parents have the deluxe room, so it's a bit more spacious than the room that I have, the more standard room. The lighting is kind of So this hotel has like these kind of vibes. I don't know what to call these, but apparently it's in with the millennials. I don't know what am I even. I'm old. Further on with the room tour, this is actually the second room where my parents are staying, so I'm going to give you a little room tour. They're actually in the lobby right now eating their breakfast, so I took this opportunity to show you their room. They got the deluxe double room, I think. I will link it somewhere here so you can see the difference. But so we're starting the room tour at the entrance again. So on the left side you have this yeah, the car thing and the light for the entrance. And I didn't mention this in my video, but right next to the door you have like a little seating area, I think that's supposed to be where you take off your shoes. And right next to it is the closet. It's just the same with the slippers, a little safe, and some hangers if you want to hang your clothes. We have the bathroom, which is pretty much the same. A huge mirror, a sink, stuff. So I don't know if I mentioned this yesterday, but you get the amenities, the shower cap and the cotton buds. And as I have mentioned, you do not get a toothbrush and toothpaste, so you will have to take care of that on your own. Then we have the toilet. You will have some towels available, and then the shower. Further on in the room, as you can see, it's a little bit more spacious here. There, yeah, and actually more space here, so. And a little table with a mirror, a little bit bigger than in my room. The huge bed, the double bed, fridge with some free coffee and tea that you can use as well, and the kettle right there. And something different about this room is that they have a desk with 2 chairs, which I actually wanted as well, because I would use those to edit. I'm actually editing at the little table right now. I don't know if I showed you, but it's a little bit small there. So, and when I sit on the little cushion thing, that there, it doesn't really match the table, but honestly it might be just me because I'm small. So this was the room tour of my parents' one. So let's see how you guys see it. I will try to link it down below so you can see the difference in price. I'm going down now to join them, and I don't know what we're going to do today, so we're going to take it slow since we're still a bit tired from jet lag and stuff. So yeah, before I'm done with this room tour, I just wanted to show you the view of my parents' room. This is the view from my parents' room. You can see some tall buildings right there, and if you look closely you can see ICONSIAM right there, which should be a 10-minute walk away from our hotel. So located near a BTS station called sorry if I pronounce it wrong, Krung Thonburi, I think. I'm not really sure, but yeah. So that's a little fact.
Ryan Little.